Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Jarvis Restaurant. Do you have any reservation? Yes, this way. Are you comfortable with your seat now? Yes, okay. I will now lay down here now. Thank you. I'll be right back to take your order, ma'am. Excuse me, okay. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your menu for your selection. And I'll be right back to take your order. Okay, see ma'am. Waiter. Yes, ma'am. May I take your order? Yes. My order is one beef with rice, one chicken soup, and one orange juice. Okay, may I repeat your order? Your order will be chicken soup for appetizer, corned beef with rice for main course, and orange juice for beverage. Yes, that's right. Will that be all? Yes, that will be okay. May I get back to you? Your order will be served within 15 to 20 minutes. Do you mind waiting? Yes, sure, no problem. Okay, excuse me for